Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and maybe replace the front door panel on Audi A4 B5. That's the door panel right there that we're going to remove. It's the same on the left or the right side. And the door panel is held by a couple of bolts. One of them is there. The other one is over there. There's another one over there that we need to remove. And then behind the plastic, there is two more bolts that we need to remove. So now we'll start removing the bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove this plastic cover. We'll use a plastic pry tool to help out a little bit. And now that the plastic cover is removed, there is two more bolts that we need to remove. They're right there, two screws. After all the bolts are removed, now we can lift up the door panel and it will come out. We need to lift it up, not pull it out. Lift it up and it will come out. Now that the door panel is separated from the door, we need to remove the door handle cable and also the electrical connectors. After removing the electrical connectors, we're done. Now we have access to the window regulator, the window motor, and everything else. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.